Welcome to a video tutorial on how to write a description of place or object on Picklets.com. This is a great way to move beyond sentence structure to think about paragraph structure. And so I've gone around and I've selected this photo, which captured a car driving through this really thick temperate rainforest. And I'm in freestyle mode, but I'm looking over here at some of the words that carry over from the word list and drag and drop, and I can see there's some great adverbs and adjectives. But I really just want to focus on organizing my paragraph by sensory details. I want to convey at least 3 out of the 5 senses. I want to organize my details from least important to most important. You always want to end with an emphatic detail. And I want to have everything organized around a dominant impression. Now, a dominant impression can be a mood, a feeling, an emotion, or an idea. And in this case, I copied and pasted this ahead of time to save us some time in the video. I wrote a perfect whole, and I as my title. And I want when you do this on your own, I want your title to be the dominant impression. Now, obviously, I've chosen an idea here that this forest is all working together in a sort of perfect harmony or a perfect whole. So let's just read the paragraph together. Before I begin, notice that I've double spaced. And that's important because if you single space this, you'll see that it will cover up the photograph so that the viewer really can't see this forest. So here's what I wrote. The 200-foot cedar and hemlock trees extend, trying to reach the sky. We stop the car. Get out. Everything is covered in moss. Giant green ferns and mushrooms are everywhere. It smells of fresh rain and soil. Nearby, I hear the soft trickling of a creek. The forest and the fog complement each other. The remaining fog swirls and spirals within the rays of sunlight. So right there, my most important sensory detail, which is visual detail. Now, as I read it out loud, I noticed I forgot the comma after nearby, so I'm going to add that in. You always find things when you read things out loud. Always reread your work. Okay, so visual detail, right? 200-foot cedar and hemlock trees. Everything's covered in moss, more visual detail. Giant green ferns, more visual detail. And then they call olfactory detail or smells. And then sounds. And then I come back to fog swirls and spirals within the rays of sunlight, visual detail. From least important to most important, and creating this sense of a perfect whole. So go out and find a photograph, write a descriptive paragraph either on an object or a place, and try to get 3 out of 5 senses. Have fun.